Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about 3 advanced keyword strategies that you can do in your Google Ads campaign right now to improve the traffic, the type of traffic, quality of traffic. I keep saying traffic, but this is a video you're going to want to stick around for. They're just some extra steps that you can take in order to, and just to improve your campaign. So stick with me. All right, guys, so we're just going to jump into a sample campaign for a flooring company. You don't have to be a flooring company. You can be any company for this. But we're going to be talking about sculpting traffic using negative keywords. Now, sculpting traffic is going to be very, very important in order to optimize your data and get better conversions. Kind of hone everything into the ad group you want to. Because as you know, whenever you run, always a specific ad group that gets more volume, more clicks, more impressions than other ones. And there's always a few ad groups, if you run it, like if you have a lot of different ad groups, there's always going to be some that don't get impressions. Now, what do you do about that? Um, let's jump into it. So we're going to go to flooring installation, and we're going to look at also hardwood installation. So we jump into flooring installation, and we have keywords such as installation, flooring companies, flooring contractors, flooring install. And I would imagine that flooring installation, flooring install services, flooring companies is going to interfere. If we go to the back to the ad group section, I imagine it's going to interfere with the hardwood, because we've got hardwood flooring, hardwood installation, hardwood flooring cost. So hardwood floor installation, this would probably overlap with the flooring installation. And so what you're going to want to do, and this is something I really recommend, is you've got your ads here targeting hardwood install, hardwood installation, but what might end up happening is that flooring installation is actually going to be the ad group and keywords that are going to show up for hardwood flooring installation, which you don't want. And so the way to get rid of it is you're going to go to negative keywords, and what you're going to go ahead and do is on the ad group section, not the campaign section, on the ad group section, add in whatever keywords you don't want to be found for. So for flooring installation, since it's such a general term, we could do hardwood, we could do laminate, we could do stone and tile and vinyl, and we do waterproof and wood in general, and carpet, and maybe even marble. So when we add it to the ad group section, what's going to end up happening is that the flooring installation, you're not going to be able to show up for hardwood flooring installation, carpet installation, stone flooring installation, tile flooring installation, even though that we have this flooring installation phrase match, which basically means, if you guys are familiar with the phrase match, it basically means that anytime somebody types in flooring and installation within the same sentence or the same phrase, that you're gonna get found for that keyword online. So hardwood flooring installation, you would likely show up for this ad group, which you don't want. You want to show up for hardwood installation instead, because you have a hardwood ad. And you guys also might go a step further and have a hardwood installation landing page. So you guys can see how whenever you don't have these negative keywords added as an ad group, you're going to start to get clicks on the wrong, you're going to start getting clicks on the wrong keyword in the wrong ad group, in the wrong landing page even, which overall might decrease your conversion rate. But what it'll really do is decrease your quality score on your Google Ads. You just want to keep it to whatever the keyword that you're being found for. You want to keep it to that certain ad group. You don't want it to interfere with any other ad group. So I'll go a step further, and what I would do to the hardwood installation is I would go to keywords, negative keywords, and then I wouldn't add in flooring. I would just let that be, but I would add in the stone and the marble and the tile and the vinyl and the waterproof and the carpet and everything. So I wouldn't add in wood, because wood might interfere. So that way you're not showing up for any other search terms here. You likely won't be anyway, because it's hardwood and not like hardwood tile or hardwood, vinyl. Like, that's not a thing. So, but you can add that to be safe. But that's the first strategy, guys, sculpting your traffic so that you're getting better quality traffic and improving quality score. Let's jump into number 2. All right, guys, so the second strategy we're going to use is putting our keywords in our ads. And the why we're going to want to do this is we want to improve our quality score, and we want to improve our click-through rate, so that you can try and do your best to get a lower cost per click. Because If you guys are familiar with quality score at all, the higher the quality score, which is based on click-through rate, ad relevancy, and landing page experience, if you can lower your, or if you can, sorry, if you can increase your quality score, increase your click-through rate, increase your ad relevancy, what you can actually do is decrease your cost per click, which means that you're likely getting leads at a better price and a more affordable price at a lower price. And that's what Google Ads is the goal of the name of the game is to get leads at a lower price. So we're in that hardwood installation ad group here, and that kind of goes off the first strategy is sculpting your traffic. So you've sculpted your traffic, that way you're not showing up for anything here. You're showing up for what you want to show up for, and having ads and keywords in the ads are going to be very, very important. So you see here, it's a hardwood installation ad group. Here we've got hardwood installation. Here we've got discount on hardwood installs, We've got general just flooring company, hardwood installation, flooring company, hardwood installation service. So we've got the keyword hardwood installation, which is our main keyword, as a headline. But to go a step further is we've got this as well as a location. We've got our main keyword here, hardwood installation, and we've got our location here, which is very, very powerful. This is going to improve quality score a ton. It's going to improve your click-through rate, make it relevant to what the Google user is searching for. If somebody types in hardwood installation St. Louis, there's no better description you could have than that. That's the most relevant you're going to get. So the second strategy is really just, it's a simple one, but adding your keywords into your headlines often, as well as your descriptions. And you can even go a step further to make sure that it always shows up, is you can put that in position 1 and put these in position 2. And these can show in position 2 between each other, but you want this one to always show up in position 1. That's something you can do. Go ahead and save that ad. And now let's jump into strategy number 3. So we're in our flooring installation ad group here, and we've got our keywords here, and you notice that all of them are going to be phrase and exact match. That's very common. If you don't have a large negative keyword list, I would recommend highly against running broad match because you're going to waste a lot of money. If you want to test fast, run broad match. For most people, I would say about 99% of people, broad match is not the right way to go. So running phrase and exact match is going to be very, very important. Phrase and exact match, you're going to be able to, like the first strategy, sculpt your traffic a lot better, show up for what you want, get better quality, and so on. But another action that you can take is after the phrase and exact match, if you really, really want to target specific types of people, what you can do is you can go over to audiences. And now this campaign has a lot of audiences, but what you can do is you can type in a specific audience. Let's see, flooring. So you see this is an in-market audience, and these are people interested in purchasing any type of flooring or laminate. So what you can do is like flooring, carpet installation. You can also do like people interested in kitchen and bathroom, rugs and carpet, just different in-market audiences. And what I would do is change this from observation to targeting. And that way you're going to get the most relevant audiences that Google knows is in the market for, carpet installation or flooring installation. Google understands that these people are in the market for it. And on top of having your keywords so targeted with phrase and exact match, you're gonna find the right type of audiences. As soon as somebody looks for your ad on Google or just types in your keyword, you're gonna connect with the right person and likely improve that conversion rates. All right, guys, that's 3 advanced Google Ads keyword strategies that we implement in a lot of our campaigns at Max Conversion. If you guys do need help with Google Ads management or consulting, you can reach out to us at max-conversion.com. Fill out that contact form and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. But make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button if you enjoy these videos. If you have any questions, comment them down below. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.